Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Today we are doing one of the most requested videos. I will be reviewing and sharing all the Mars lippies that I own. No matter which Mars lippy video I post, shorts में, long form में, it always does really well. And क्योंकि Mars इतने ज़्यादा new launches करता रहता है, you guys are always interested to know which product is actually worth it and which one is not. And considering all of these products are super affordable, I thought to club them all in one single video and मैं आप लोगों को सारे ही लिप प्रोडक्ट्स के रिव्यू देने वाली हूँ. तो ऑल टुगेदर आई हैव 7 लिप प्रोडक्ट्स विद मी. आई हैव ट्राइड 8, तो 8th वाला भी मेरे पास है नहीं, बट आई विल टेल यू हाउ आई फेल्ट अबाउट इट. एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज आर द न्यूएस्ट लॉन्चेस दैट Mars did. So yes, if you are interested, keep watching this video till the very end. But if you're new to my channel, take out a moment, hit the red subscribe button. Now without any further blabbering, let's just dive right into the video. Of course, as usual, all the products will be linked in the description box below, तो आप वहाँ पे जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हो. स्टार्ट करते हैं with the first product that I ever purchased from this brand. ये है Mars का Edge of Desire lip liner. ये वाला है in the shade 02 Deep Dawn. This is what this color looks like. It is a beautiful brown, neutral brown kind of a lip color. And ये वाला जो lip liner है ना, ये on its own भी पूरे lips पे काफी सुंदर लगता है. No matter which lip color I'm wearing, this one goes pretty well with all the shades. तो अगर आप भी ऐसा medium to wheatish skin tone हो, this shade will look beautiful on you. But मेरे पास इसके सारे ही shades हैं and this lip liner is too good. Although lip liners do make a huge difference, आपका lip combo एकदम elevate हो जाता है if you use a lip liner. But after I use these lip liners, मुझे कभी need नहीं पड़ी to invest in more expensive lip liners. These ones perform beautifully, बहुत ही buttery smooth है, अच्छे से glide हो जाते हैं, highly pigmented है. But no, they are not waterproof और ऐसा एकदम completely transfer proof. But whenever I create a lip combo with these lip liners, मुझे as such कोई problem नहीं आई. I'll rate this one a solid 9 on 10. So next we'll be talking about this. ये है Mars का Nectar Kiss Plumping Color Changing Lip Oil. ये अभी fairly new launch है and इसमें I think 2 शेड आए थे. एक तो Flower Dew करके था शायद and एक ये Nectar Kiss करके है. This one ऐसा slight इसमें orange का tint आता है but हल्का थोड़ी देर में this will turn pink as per the pH of your lip. It gives that slight subtle color but mostly एकदम हल्का एकदम natural flush ही देता है. आज I created this beautiful nude brown lip color and I topped it up with this in the center and it just beautifully plumped up my lips and gave it that sheen जो कि बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. So I really like the formula. ऐसा देखो बहुत ज़्यादा sticky या stringy नहीं है and it feels like a lip oil. It is very hydrating. So even if I'm using it without any lip combo, it keeps my lips very hydrated and nourished. And when I top it up on top of a lip combo, तो भी मेरे lips बहुत ज़्यादा dry और cracky feel नहीं होते हैं. So I really like this one and considering that the other lip oils in the market are super expensive, this one is very affordable. But इसका बस एक चीज है कि plumping lip oil इसको बोला गया है but there is no as such plumping effect on the lip. But other than that, it is a really good lip oil. So if you are looking out for one, you can invest in it. You can see I've already emptied half of it and I really like it. Everything considered, I will rate this one an 8 on 10. The third lip product we have is this Mars ka Drip Lip Mist. This one went viral the moment it launched and I think it clearly deserved all the hype that it got. ये color है मेरे पास. This is in the shade 06 Cocoa Drip and I really like this color on me. This one was called a dupe for the Roman lip tints but after I tried the Roman का lip tint, I think I like this one a little better क्योंकि ये एक तो बहुत ही affordable है. Roman वाले तो इसके comparison में काफ़ी महंगा है and इसका जो tint, the stain that it leaves is far better than the Roman वाला. But this lip tint is more like a lip stain and also a lip gloss. तो इसको मैं एकदम lip oil lip gloss की तरह यूज करती हूँ and when this wipes off, it leaves a beautiful lip stain behind जो कि काफी देर आपको last करता है. But yes, it does tend to get very drying on the lips considering it has that water gel kind of consistency and जो भी ऐसा water या gel वाले tints होते हैं, they tend to make your lips dry. So make sure whenever you're using this lip product, आपके lips अच्छे से exfoliated होने चाहिए, वरना अगर आपके lips पे dry patches हैं और वो flakes निकल रहे हैं ना, तो this will cling onto it and it looks very bad after that. So make sure lips are very soft and supple, hydrated, nourished, and only then use this one and you will absolutely love it. So I personally really like this product. But if you have dry lips like Sahara Desert considered dry lips. Do not buy this product, आपको पसंद नहीं आएगा. So everything considered, I think I will rate this product a 7.5 on 10. अभी हम lip stains, lip tint की बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो this is the next product. This is Mars Love Track Collection Lip Tint in the shade Two Hearts, and ये मैं यहाँ तक empty कर चुकी हूँ. I have used and abused this product. ये जब से launch हुआ है मैं इसको इतना ज़्यादा use कर चुकी हूँ. This is what the shade Two Hearts look like. It is a brick red kind of a color and it is beautiful. I absolutely love this color. ये color काफी Indian skin tones पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है and it leaves a beautiful stain behind. इसको आपको wipe off करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये खुद ही ऐसा dry होके आपको stain वाला effect दे देगा. You can build it up. आप जितने layers लगाओगे उतना ज़्यादा इसकी intensity बढ़ जाती है and this one does not feel drying on your lip as opposed to this one. तो अगर आपके dry lips है, Sahara Desert dry lips, you have to check this one out. And इसका एक वो soft velvet वाला finish है and it actually feels very very comfortable on the lips. And this one is also very long lasting. Just थोड़ी सी problem जो मुझे इस product से है is the shade range. I think they can expand on the shade range, but other than that, the formula, the consistency, the feel on the lips and the color, this particular color is absolutely gorgeous. Everything considered minus the shade range, I think I will rate this a 9 on 10. This is one Mars lip product that I will highly recommend you all to get. Next is another viral internet sensation. This is the Mars ki Matte Mousse Velvet Lipstick. I have it in the shade again 02 Style Icon. And this is what the shade looks like. I'm running out of space on my hand, but this is a beautiful color. Look at the color, look at that finish. It is absolutely matte, velvet matte, and एकदम mousse like feel होता है आपके lips पे. इसका जो look and feel है ना is like the Fenty Beauty की lipstick जो कि काफी viral हुई थी कुछ साल पहले, and this one has a similar formula, but bear in mind that this is not at all transfer proof. ये बिल्कुल transfer होती है lips पे, बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे time तक last नहीं करेगी. You will have to reapply it, but इसका जो formula of finish है ना, it is very unique. मतलब मैंने इससे पहले ऐसा कोई formula try नहीं किया था, and for that reason I really like it. And I think इन्होंने अपनी shade range भी expand कर दी है. सुनने में तो मुझे आया था कि expand हो रही है. I don't know if it is launched or not, but I really like the formula. And अभी तक भी जो shade range है वो काफी अच्छी है. अगर expand हो चुकी है तो I think और better हो गई है. इसके जो reds है ना वो भी बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं, and इसको lips पे लगा के ना you feel that luxurious finish. People will stop and ask which lippy are you wearing, because मुझे काफी लोगों ने पूछा है. But just again I'm pointing out that this is not a transfer proof lipstick. तो आपको इसको throughout the day reapply करना पड़ेगा, but ये बहुत ही comfortable है, बहुत ही easy to reapply है, so इतना ज़्यादा कुछ problem नहीं होगा. And plus it is very very inexpensive, so I think you should definitely try it out. Everything considered, I will rate it a 9 on 10. -1 for the slight transfer, which I personally don't mind, but that could have been better. This one is the Mars ka Plumpy Grapes Lippy Hydrating Lip Gel. Now this is supposed to be a lip combo topper. Now इस product को ना मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा use किया नहीं है. I have used it once or twice. ज़्यादातर because of the packaging ना I thought this is a lip balm, and I have used it like a lip balm, but it does work beautifully as a lip combo topper. Look at the difference that it created. बहुत ही लाइट वेट है. इट इज नॉट लाइक अ वेरी थिक जेल ऑन योर लिप, फील्स लाइक अ लिप ऑयल, लाइक द लाइटेस्ट वेट लिप ऑयल, एंड इट इज नॉट स्टिकी एंड नॉन स्ट्रिंगी. लुक एट दिस. No stickiness, no stringiness. That is what I absolutely love about it. Although मैंने इसको बहुत ज़्यादा use नहीं किया है, I still like to top it up sometimes, you know, on top of my lip combos, and it gives a beautiful finish. For the price that this comes for, I think you should definitely invest in this product. क्योंकि आपको अगर glossy lips पसंद है, no matter which lip combo you're using, you can just close your eyes and top it up with this, and you will get this beautiful sheen without altering your lip combo का color. And I think this is a really good product. I think ऐसा एक MAC का भी कुछ तो ऐसे एक product आता है. This one reminds me of that product. I don't remember the name right now, but yeah, this is a very good product. Again, I think Mars is killing it with their lip products. इसमें एक pink version भी आता है. If you want to use it on your bare lips, I think you should go for that one. That would look more flattering. But nonetheless, this one looks also very very pretty, and it feels very comfortable, keeps your lips hydrated. All in all, I think this one will be a solid 8 on 10. Last but not the least, we have this. ये है Mars का Candylicious Lip Gloss in the shade 03 Caramel Crunch. I absolutely love this lip gloss. This is what the shade looks like. बहुत ही एकदम slight ऐसा peachy caramely color है, बहुत ही अच्छा इसका color है, ठीक है. And this one smells beautiful. I cannot put my finger at what it smells like, but it smells very very nice. अभी recently मैंने अपना सयारा वाला जो look create किया था उसमें मैंने यही lip gloss use किया था and you guys went crazy over that lip combo and मुझे इतने comments आए हैं lip gloss link, lip gloss link, lip gloss link and this is the one that I was wearing. And again ये जितना inexpensive है ना उस हिसाब से ये बहुत अच्छा काम करता है, बिल्कुल stringy नहीं है, बिल्कुल sticky नहीं है. It gives that thick luxurious finish to your lips. बहुत ही high shine gloss है, मुझे काफी पसंद आता है and this particular shade is absolutely amazing. And this lip gloss for the price range that it comes for, I absolutely love it. I like it even better than my Swiss Beauty के lip glosses. So I think if you are in the lookout for a good lip gloss under a budget, this is the one that you should consider. I would say go for this shade. If you want darker shades, you will get options, but this shade, I think if you are fair to medium to even slight dusky wheatish skin tone, this color will be very flattering on you. So just get this one and thank me later. This one is a solid 10 on 10. इससे तो मुझे कोई complaint है ही नहीं. Now lastly talking about this product, ये है Mars का Cinemagic lip gloss. Now इसको ना मैंने पहले काफी videos में share किया था, इसके ऊपर तो मैंने dedicated video भी बनाई थी. I'll link it, you can check it out. But I did not like that product after a while क्योंकि उसका pigment और उसका जो oil base होता है ना वो separate हो गया था and it just looked like a clear lip oil. After that I shared it in one of my videos and then I threw that product out, but now I heard that उन्होंने अपना reformulate कर दिया है and now it comes in a packaging like this. ऐसा cylindrical packaging में आता है, but I haven't gotten it again. I was planning to get it again and see कि वो reformulated product better हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, but then I did not want to invest again in that product. देखो बहुत ही inexpensive है, कोई इतना बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा तो है नहीं, but because I was once disappointed with how it performed over time, तो अभी मुझे दोबारा से अपने पैसे लगाने का मन नहीं किया. So I haven't gotten it again. पिछले formulation से I will rate it a 2 on 10. 2 इसलिए क्योंकि जब तक उसने काम किया तब तक तो अच्छा ही काम किया, but after that like कुछ ही महीनों में it got bad, so I will not recommend that product. अभी देखो reformulated कैसा है, again as I said I don't know, but if you want me to try out the reformulated product, let me know in the comment box below. I will do that. And yes, that was it for today's video. These were all the Mars lippies that I have tried and personally मेरा Mars के lip products के साथ experience काफी अच्छा रहा है. इसमें से एक भी प्रोडक्ट ऐसा नहीं है जो मैं बोलूंगी कि आप मत ही खरीदना. लाइक ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आर रियली रियली गुड, डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट योर रिक्वायरमेंट इज. ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर सो अफोर्डेबल एंड अंडर अ बजट, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक द लिंक्स आउट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो एंड मुझे कॉमेंट करके जरूर बताना कि आपका फेवरेट मार्स लिपी कौन सा है. एंड येस, अगर आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो गिव इट अ थम्स अप एंड इफ यू हैवंट ऑलरेडी कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माय चैनल. This is the SoFam shout out for today's video. I read and respond to every single comment, so keep them coming. I shall see you super soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.